Unong bishar justice T Pay ubalakli ya ke jing toket halor ke jingshah siadiap jong unong yalam barim ke HNLC U Bah Cherishterfield Thangkhiew ula pendep ya ke jing toket bat mentakasngi ula litra ya ke kaiphod shah menteri rangba kajala U Conrad sangma U justice Pay ula kentaj beniatu halor ke jinglap bat ke jing ai jingmut jong u halor ke jing toket henrei ula ong baka kamram jong u kalong ban penlong ya ke jing toket bat menta haba ula dep tokit ula aiti ya ka kaiphod shah ka sorkar bat ka syong ha ka sorkar ban shim ya ka rai ula ya thu bah ka por bala penlong ya ka jing tokit shim ladon kano ka jing henrei baro ki kloi ban ya trilang la ban kedau hangne bahadin ka jing shah siadiap jong U Bah Cherishterfield Thangkhiew kaladon ka jing dawa na ki paj ba ban penlong da ka jing tokit namarkat kum ki babun balang kane ka jing shah siadiap kadai ke jing siat yap khenang jung kipulit bat kam shim ladon kano ke jing yakun persya la ru ban kedau hangne kipulit kelayo ban kurup tang ye katari na yingsa jong u bat kaneru kelapen bitar shushu ikipaj ba bat kabala bu ikipaj ba ha jing artatin halor ke jing keno bagaladon ke jing yakun persya hadin kene ke sorkar kelathung ye ke kenhun toket kata ha ubnai agos jong usnem baladap bat mentakasngi unong bishar ulali aiti sendon ye kene ke kaiphod shah menteri rangba kajala U Conrad sangma.
Yes, I just submitted the report. Finished.
And what are the recommendations?
That I cannot disclose. That is a privileged document.
Okay,
Sorry.
how much time you took to complete the program?
Oh, I told him yesterday.
Last year, August.
The notification appointing me was issued in August. I cannot be precise about the date. Then we started the work first week of September. Then there were procedural wranglings. Okay, and it took 3 months to dispose of all the miscellaneous applications. So we could start hearing only in the month of December. And after that, we wrapped up the proceedings in the last week of April. After that, it took me some 2 weeks or more to complete the report. That is how I filed. Actually, the report was ready last Saturday, but Honorable CM, he couldn't give me appointment early. So today, that is why I am here today. Like, what kind of difficulties?
During the probe investigation?
No difficulties. I got cooperation from the victim's family. I got cooperation from the police. No adjournment was sought for. Even lawyers also, they are doing very well. That's why, though I could sit only 2 days a week. 2 days a week. That also, I have to accommodate the interests of lawyers, so I could not sit every week. Some of them are from Delhi. So, that is how we manage.
And the adjournment from the Delhi lawyers, was it?
No, few. Can't help it. They also have their own personal problem to attend to. I cannot force them to come every week. It is impossible. Given the constraints they have, they are doing very well.
So now it is up to the government to act on it?
Yes, they have gone through it, and it's for them to decide whether to accept my recommendation or to reject it. It's finished today.